Good morning, everybody. Today I'm leaving Sparta, New Jersey. Just picked up old Buzz Bomb from Andover Transmission, and we're gonna take it for its first ride out of the state. So right now I'm driving down Route 80. I'm somewhere in Pennsylvania. Drivers be crazy right now because they all want to speed up my butt. But I'm gonna stop somewhere, take a bathroom break soon, and then I don't know. I'm heading to Chicago right now, but tomorrow I'll probably go to Peru, Indiana, which is the start of the circus town. That's where Barnum and Bailey were. But Circus Week was like a couple weeks ago, so I won't probably see circus people. But it's pretty bucolic out here, even though trying not to speed and stuff because I want to save gas. So it's pretty nice out here. I'm trying to wait till I get to a rest area or something, and I'll do more videos. It's just pretty lonely here on the road. I should have brought my rubber chicken up here. Maybe at the rest stop I'll bring him up. So right now I'm going 5 miles an hour on Route 80 West. Slow as can be. It's trying to go from 2 lanes to 1 lane right now. And I'm probably about 9 hours from Chicago. I got about a half a tank gas, and I'm trying to get out of this area to see if gas goes down a little bit. So, not as good as I hope it to be. I'm just hoping the rest area is after this slowdown. So this slowdown goes for a little while at least. So, I don't know, struggles. Hopefully I get to the rest area. So apparently I'm in the Pennsylvania wilds right now, and there's elk viewing areas around here, but it's kind of off the beat trail. Well, hopefully this mini will last me until I get to the rest stop, or to the gas station, I should say. Hopefully that mini will last me till I get to the gas station. Also bought a pack of these. This will give me a little relief from the hunger since it's around noontime right now, and I don't feel like paying for food right now. Yeah, I'm still in Pennsylvania. I'm in this place called Snappy's right now. Filling up. Thank God I got Gas Buddy because gas price here is $3.29, but I think I'm getting it for $3.19 after they charge me. I hate this. Gas prices. Oh no. $3.29. Well, 2 things. I can't find my glasses in the van. Hopefully I can tear apart the van and find them. And also, I'm not sure if I'm going to go to Chicago tonight because I'm still 7 hours away. Maybe I camp in the or something like that. So I'm gonna drive again and we'll see where I stop. Yeah, so stopped here in Ohio right now, which is at the border of Ohio, about 20 miles in. Gas prices are a little cheaper here, 20 cents cheaper. And I'm gonna keep on driving for a little while. But I'm getting a little tired. Hopefully I'll pull over when it gets dark and then I'll camp. Well, I guess the closest town I'm next to right now is Akron. I'm at a service plaza right now off of a turnpike, and I'm thinking about getting an easy pass right now. So I'm in this little service plaza, and it's a limited food. What they mean by that is none of the restaurants have been opened here yet. They're saying they come later in 2021 or something. But right behind me here, you see that there's a trucker's lounge. I went back there, and the showers are free. You know, there are shower rooms back there. There's 2 at least. So that's pretty good. If you're van traveling, you can stop here at the Service Plaza on I-80, and also you can get your showers here right by Akron for free. So I apparently got this Easy Pass. It was $12, and it says Ohio Turnpike, but then on the back it says you gotta register, blah blah blah, and it says it's only active for 48 hours.
Head west.
So looking at the back, it tells you to register it, install, and save. And then it says not active, out of state. And then it's only until 48 hours after registering. Pretty weird how it doesn't tell you all that stuff on the front. So Easy Pass, you suck. Because I thought I could use it for everything. I came to this next travel plaza and I registered my Easy Pass, but it says it charged me $13 and it says my account is $22 right now. I don't know why. But I have to wait an hour to do an exit or something like that, and then after that 48 hours to do it in other states. See, over here is the food court, there is vending, this is the trucker lounge. So when you're over here at one of the plazas, you can get showers over here. Oh, so I'm over here, I believe, at Erie Islands restaurant. Damn it. I'll start that over again. I think I'm here over at Erie Islands rest area, Service Plaza. Just looked it up and it does say overnight on the website, so I might actually camp out here tonight and maybe catch a shower inside later on. Who knows? I don't know how late their travel plaza is open on the inside, but we're walking in right now. The only thing I'm really threatened about is like right where I'm at, there's some cross traffic, but that might be good for me because, you know, it'll wake me up early and then start driving again. Tomorrow I'll go Peru, Indiana. Alright guys, I'm just watching videos out there. I just wanted to tell you thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I love new subscribers all the time. It makes me happy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to be notified by new videos and stuff like that, you could always ring that bell. Just click on that bell and personalize your notifications. And also, you could always comment on my videos. I really appreciate the comments. Thank you so much. And tomorrow morning, I will be traveling again. Thank you so much. Have a great night.